You gave an interview where you said that India is regressive and depressing.
I think you need to do your homework well, because I said Indian society is regressive for women, with gang rapes making the headlines of every newspaper, with honor killings. Today I read in the paper, according to UNFPA, 40% of Indian women are married below the age of 18. I think it's a very, very regressive state for women. And I stand by it.
You said you are not happy with the state of affairs in this country. It's regressive and depressing.
Can we play my interview right now?
So
right now, let's play it.
My question is,
when you go ahead and say, which might be the truth, absolutely. When you come in India and you say, it's a regressive, it's regressive for nation, for women and all, we understand, we believe it. On an international platform, when you go out there, for them, the only word that comes to the mind is not women, is India. And what they say is, oh, so that's how India is. They already think India does not have buildings, India still has animals, India still has crowd, India still has busties. But we have education in India. That's my point. Yeah.
I am never going to lie. और please मैं आप सबसे पूछती हूँ मैंने क्या गलत बोला अगर सच बोला तो. I really want to know from every woman here.
I think you're answering it absolutely from your heart and with your emotions. So you have to be a little calm because this is expected for whatever it is.
No, but I mean, I expect women of this country to stand by me.
It's known by everybody.
अगर हम औरतें ही अपने बारे में बात नहीं करेंगी तो कौन करेगा? हरियाणा में फीमेल फीटिसाइड कितना है मालूम है? 1000 men to 700 women कोख में ही मार देते हैं. और इस देश में देवी की पूजा की जाती है और फीमेल बच्चे को कोख में मार देते हैं. और फिर ये यही आके प्रेस मेरे पे पत्थर फेंकती है कि मैंने भारत का नाम बदनाम किया. मैंने कहा सच बोल के? कमाल है यार.